Hey guys, this is Corey from Slime by Us, and I'm here today because for the first time, a couple days ago, I actually tried to make a slime all by myself. This one actually, as you can see, is kind of pink and it has a little bit of what looks like watermelon seeds inside of it. So I've never done this before. I don't know how to make slime, so here we go. So let's see what happens. Okay, although the slime looks really thick, right? Really thick, I clearly don't know what I'm doing at all. So I need your help. How can I fix this? Look at this. It's kind of like chewy, blocky, kind of not really the slime texture that I wanted. Although it smells really, really good, smells like watermelon, it isn't what I was actually going for. So please comment, let me know, how can I fix this? Let me know. I'm clearly not good at making slime here, but please comment below. Let me know, all the slime makers out there that know what they're doing. Let me know how I can fix this. And don't forget, subscribe to my channel, Slime by Us. Thanks, bye. Help.